Today at Happiness is Camping, I witnessed the heart of what this place means to all these kids. It's clear this camp is more than a getaway. It's a lifeline. The Care Camps Foundation works tirelessly to make this magic possible every single year, and they can't do it alone.
When I had the opportunity to get on the board of directors, I really jumped at that opportunity just so I could really see not only what we've been able to do to help the Care Camps Foundation, but to see what the Care Camps Foundation does and really understanding all of the children and families that they're supporting throughout the entire United States. This gives them a week a year to be able to really, enjoy themselves and be outside and be around other kids that are dealing with the same things. I always say, watch the video of the faces of the kids when they come to camp. And when they're at camp and when they're having lunch together and when they're doing their activities together and playing together and just talking. I mean, that's the why.
Another organization committed to fighting pediatric cancer is Hyundai Hope on Wheels.
John, tell me about the impact of your foundation.
Yeah, Hyundai Hope on Wheels was started 27 years ago. And throughout that history, we have invested in research, treatment, and support to help kids and their families wherever they are on their cancer journey.
How do you help other organizations in this space?
With the support of all 850 Hyundai dealers and Hyundai Motor America and other donations, this year alone we're giving $27 million away across the country. Since we started in 1998, that's $277 million. So we're really into this from research and support and even survivorship as well.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
How do you get into this? How did this become your passion?
I have loved philanthropy for the past 2 decades. I've worked in the nonprofit space and now leading Hyundai Hope on Wheels for the past 3 years and really excited about the impact that we're making. And to me, there's a real magical outcome from it. I feel at home here at camps. I've loved magic since I was a kid, but at Hyundai Hope on Wheels, we're really delivering the magic and helping kids and families really overcome the impossible.
Well, speaking of delivering magic, you're going to help me deliver some magic today.
Let's do it. I'm so excited to be here.
Okay. Care Camps Foundation is living proof that when hearts unite with strategy and purpose, miracles happen.
Hello, campers! We have had such a magical time here with you. A big thank you to Mattel for those fun packs that you got. We also want to make sure that we say a big thank you to KOA. Now, Gwen, we have some gifts for you from our partners. We have an incredible check from Patrick Industries for you. We have another financial donation, another check from the J.M. Smucker Company. But I also want to introduce the Executive Director of Hyundai Hope on Wheels.
We believe in the power of hope, and when we've seen the hope that you provided to these kids, not just here, but across the nation. So on behalf of Hyundai Hope on Wheels, it's a donation of $20,000 for your foundation. It's going to benefit all of you.
Thank you very much, Steve. Thank you so much. We're just so grateful. And I want to thank all of you all, the campers, who just inspire us every single day.
So thank you to all of you and for making us all feel the hope and making us feel so much unconditional love and teaching us how to be better. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you all. It has been a spectacular few days. Have so much fun at prom tonight.
Now that you've heard these incredible stories, don't you want to be part of the joy, hope, and healing? Text to donate or visit carecamps.org. You can also visit our website, designingspaces.tv. See you next time.